Some of those who served with her describe her as hardworking, industrious and a team player. The Judicial Service Commission thought she was the most impressive out of a total of 14 who'd expressed interest in being Deputy Chief Justice. However, she still had to answer some hard questions touching on her integrity when she appeared before Parliament's Justice and Legal Affairs Committee for approval.
The complaint against you, Honorable Justice Philomena Mwilu, was that you were gazetted as an election court and assigned to hear the High Court election petition number 20 of 2008.
This is part of the reasons why Kandara MP Alice Wahome thinks the judge is unsuitable to deputize the President of the Supreme Court. She questioned how Justice Philomena Mwilu handled a petition she filed in 2008 challenging the election of James Maina Kamau. The case hasn't been concluded to date. Justice Mwilu was only assigned the case in 2011, but by then she had already presided over another case in which the MP appeared before her and in which she lost. In her defense, Justice Mwilu says the legislator is still carrying residue from that case.
We had finished the feeder case, but the hatred created at the feeder case was being visited on me in the election petition. And the honorable member had made, I think, a firm decision that she was going to make it extremely impossible for me to hear her case.
Does she actually carry hatred against the haters? I mean, just a clarification.
My style of dealing with haters is first ignore them. Because most haters are cowards. They will not confront you on your face. But when they do, they meet their match. We deal with the matter as is.
The case in question was filed by FIDA after the first Chief Justice, Nancy Baraza, exited the judiciary. They had challenged the gender composition of the Supreme Court. Justice Mwilu was part of the three-judge bench that handled the case, and MP Alice Wahome represented FIDA, who lost.
I have carried this pain since 2011 because from that day, the Honorable Alice Wahome picked me for beating up whenever she had a problem and decided that I was the sole reason the petition was lost.
MP Alice Wahome claims this ruling undermined the rights of women.
Anybody who has wanted to know that I do not know which part of me looks male. I am very feminine. I am a woman. And I know the challenges that women face.
The MP wanted the judge to disqualify herself from hearing her election petition case because of these differences, and that's why it hasn't been concluded. The Kandara legislator also claims the judge accepted a 3 million shillings bribe to rule against her in that petition.
Please do your private check. Nobody would attempt to come to bribe me. Nobody would attempt.
The judge, with 32 years' experience in practicing law, considers herself a liberal because of her stand on social issues. The justice told the committee that gay people have rights under the law, although gay marriages are outlawed under the Constitution. The committee will write a report approving of her or not, which will be discussed by the whole House. Sheila Sendeyo, NTV.